If you want to apply wallpaper effect and frame on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open settings. On the left side you want to scroll down in order to go to wallpaper and style, and then we can tap on our current wallpaper. So in this case, if you have an image or a picture from your gallery, then you should have these options at the bottom, such as the frame and effect. But if you use one of these pre-installed wallpapers that you have by default on your tablet, then most likely you won't be able to use these options. So in this case, if you go to frame, then as you can see, we have a bunch of different frames that we can use. So you can choose your favorite one. We can go to color in order to change the color as well. But besides that, we also have the effect option that allows you to apply the blur effect, use a color, or use a dark color instead. So we can try to use any of these options as you, of course, wish. And once you are done with all of these changes, then we can tap on apply in the upper right corner and then done. And that's pretty much it. If you want to remove these effects, then of course we can go back. In the case of frame, just select the first option. And then in the case of the effect, of course, we can just swipe to the original option. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.